Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Power the camera and confirm the router SSID and password are available. Plug the camera into stable power. Once lights indicate boot, make sure your phone is on the local Wi-Fi. Open the vendor app and grant permissions so discovery works. Tap Add Device and choose Wi-Fi Setup. The app sends credentials to the camera so it can join your network. This immediate pairing avoids later mode, switches, and speed setup when signals are weak or interference is present. Once done with discovery, you will pair and configure network settings. Select the correct 4 GHz network if the camera lacks 5 GHz support. This is the most common limitation. Make sure the phone stays on the same network during credential transfer, and if pairing fails, use the camera's AP mode to connect directly for a brief second pass. After the camera joins your router, set an admin password, update firmware, and enable encryption so remote access remains secure and reliable going forward. You finish by validating live view, motion detection, and storage settings so recordings start as expected. Make sure cloud or NAS destinations are configured and that timestamps match your time zone. For remote viewing, either enable the vendor's secure relay service or configure port forwarding and a strong password. Use dynamic DNS if your IP changes. If something goes wrong, reboot the camera, re-enter the Wi-Fi credentials, and only perform a factory reset as a final step to avoid redoing all custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.